Welcome to the Kids Day. I'm Komali and I'm thrilled to be here with my awesome co-host and my little sister Kushali.
Hi everyone.
Kushali, in each episode in this season, we'll explore a different topic, learn cool facts.
Sounds like a blast. And remember, we're not just here to talk, we're here to learn together.
So, if you're ready to join us for a ride, let's get started.
Whoa, that was a big one. Why do we burp like that?
Well, you know how we swallow air when we eat or drink quickly? That air has to come out and it usually escapes as a burp.
So, my tummy is like a big balloon letting out air?
Exactly, and when there's too much air, the easiest way for it to leave is through a burp.
That explains burp. But what about, the other thing?
You mean farts. Farts happen when your body breaks down food and creates gas. The gas has to come out too, just from a different exit.
So, burps are air we swallow and farts are air we made inside our tummies?
Exactly. Both are totally normal. And everyone does it.
So, my body is just doing its job when I burp or fart.
Yeah, right. It's your body's way of staying comfy. And just like with burping, there's nothing to be embarrassed about.
But why do farts sometimes sound funny?
That depends on how fast the gas comes out. Sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's sneaky.
But why do they smell sometimes?
That comes from foods like beans or cabbage. They make more gas when they break down. It's totally normal.
Okay, got it. Burps, farts, all natural, nothing to be ashamed.
Exactly. Just remember to say, "Excuse me," and move on.
Wait, let me swallow some air and try to burp again.
No, don't force it. Let the air come out naturally. So, remember, burps and farts are your body's way of staying balanced. Totally normal.
And next time it happens, just say, "Excuse me."
Right. See you next time for more fun facts with Komali and
Kushali. Thanks for all the amazing people joining us today for another fantastic episode of Kids Day. It's time to say bye for our listeners.
we hope you had as much fun as we did. And remember, if you want to share your thoughts, questions, or ideas, we're just a message away. We love hearing from you. Please drop us a message on our Instagram Kids Deck or send us an email at kidsdeck.info@gmail.com.
Stay curious and keep exploring. Keep asking a lot of questions. And
Don't forget to have fun!